Every single day, I got this question. Borsa, how can we set up our charts using Flux Charts? How to set up Flux Charts, how to use Flux Charts. In this video, you will be learning how to set up Flux Charts from scratch, including how to find best settings possible to get the best signals. Personally, I use two Flux Charts indicators, and let's go to indicators tab to add those. You type in Flux Charts, and what you want to add is the SVX algo and the price action toolkit. Click both of them to add to your chart, and after you add it, what you will get on your chart is this setup and the signals. How it looks like to you. I am on 1 minute and trading Nasdaq futures, but this method can be applied everything you can imagine. Bitcoin, Indian market, I don't know, the Forex market, you name it, okay? What do you have? The sell signals, the take profit levels, the fair value gaps, the order blocks, you get everything you need. But can we make this more powerful and more accurate? Let's zoom out. Give the buy signal, TP hit. Sell signal, stopped out. Buy signal, no TP hit. Sell signal, TP hit. Buy signal, TP hit. Sell signal, TPs are hit. Can we make this powerful? This is the question. I say yes, you can make it more powerful. To do that, first thing you want to go is the SVX algo. When you go to settings for the SVX algo, you will see a lot of settings, but don't be scared because all you need to change is this part, algorithm settings, okay? So what you want to do is start with the trading style. If you are scalper, go with the scalper. Day trader, swing trader, whatever it is. I'm a day trader, right? I will choose the day trader. Trend length. So this is a common problem that you all facing it. What I suggest, if you are not sure that, choose the medium term, okay? And after it, just let it load and see what is going on the chart. You will go step by step. What is changed? Not much, right? So now the most important part, the sensitivity. If you trade the high volatile market, I suggest you go between 13 to 15, okay? For the demonstrations, let's go between them to 14. You don't have to use the AI sensitivity optimizer, just hit the OK button and let it load. What do I have now? A less signals, but perhaps the more accuracy, okay? So all TPs hit, we got the sell, but the strong one, strong sell, strong buy, and you name it. You got my point, right? So this is it. This is my chart now. And now the next settings you want to play around with the price action toolkit. In my opinion, this is the most comprehensive price action toolkit indicator, and let's start setting those up. And if you still don't have the Flux Charts, I grabbed you the 20% off. This is the best discount ever on the internet. Just type in Borsa on the coupon code and you will get the best price ever. So the fair value gaps, I highly suggest you enable. Inversion fair value gaps, I highly suggest you enable. Order blocks enabled. The breaker blocks enabled. Liquidity grabs, you don't have to. So for the demonstrations, trend lines, you can use it. Premium discount zones, you don't have to use it. You have to use the daily, weekly, monthly, pre-market highs and the lows. It's a must. If you want, you can use the sessions. If you can't memorize it, you can just enable which is New York, which is Asia, London, and that's it. If you want, you can just specify New York morning, lunch, and afternoon. If you've done that, just hit the OK button. Now, your chart will look more beautiful. Most important part is you will be adding a confirmations and the sessions on your chart. How I execute, right? So there are 3 simple rules before I execute my trade. Let me type that here. First one, signal. But if it comes with the plus, is better. All right? This is the first one. The second one is the FVG or IFG. Doesn't matter. Third one is the breaker block or order block. So these 3 simple rules are able to give me the money I need from the markets using Flux Charts. All right. So now what do you see here? You got the sell signal and all TPs are hit. When? At the Asia session. Did we get any signal from London? No. Okay. That's fine. And we will just go back and see the New York session. Okay, so the New York session, we got a buy signal. What I want is just go a random date on the New York and show you how accurate is my signals. So this is a random date from the tradingview, and you can see that we got the strong sell signal inside the New York session, right? So after you get the sell signal, remember, you need to follow up some rules. So let's roll back the market and see if it fits our criteria so that you can learn better. First thing you need to get is obviously the signal, and if it's strong, it's better, and you got it. And the second thing, you will look for FVG or IFG, right? So you get a couple of those. And the other thing you need is obviously the breaker block or order block. You can use this one, or you can use any breaker block happening with the after the signal. Okay, this is quite easy to use. You can go and backtest, and what I suggest is do not stick with the one setting I show you here. Just go and play around. You can just make it 15, 16, 10, 7. It really depends on the ticker that you're trading, but the golden point here is you can easily backtest this. I know it is quite complicated when you at first at your chart, but after you use it, after you follow my instruction, it will get so much easier. If you can't find the best settings you're looking for, just comment below and I will help you to get the best settings for the ticker that you're trading. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux Charts videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.